Sing I'm sorry, Mama.
I'm sorry, Mama, I didn't want to pursue. I never made you cry. Cleaning out my closet.
Did you get that? Let's move this a little way off the step, okay? You won't break your neck. Oops. Hey, come sing for Aunt Cassie.
Mercy. Sing it loud.
Didn't want to pursue. I cleaned out my closet. One at a time. Sorry, Mama, I didn't want to pursue. I cleaned out my closet.
Very good.
Now how about the 2 pairs of shoes?
Now my ABC.
Okay.
ABCs are outside up.
ABCs, what? She must be learning her ABCs at school.
Sorry, Mama, I didn't want to pursue. I cleaned out my closet. One at a time.
One at a time. Is that in the song?
I think she says one more time. What about I didn't mean to make you cry?
I have a tickle in my throat.
Chicken in your throat?
You can't sing.
No.
I need 2 pair.
I need 2 pairs.
Gotta get 2 pair.
Got 2 pairs. Got 2 pairs. With
Stomping.
kiwi dust.
Kiwi stripes. Stomping in your Air Force Ones.
Let's do a full one.
Aye, aye, aye.
Yeah. Bye.
Surprise! What'd you get in that box? That shirt?
Surprise.
Surprise!
I got pies for you.
Oh, well, thank you so much. You open it for me? What's in there?
A ticket.
A ticket! Oh, thank you!
Say, now you can go pet all the animals.
Come on, let's dance.
I want my...
Here. You got ice cream? Oh, good.